Now we will add some other fillets onto few more edges, and to do that again we'll move on to this modify panel, and from here we'll activate this fillet tool. And then before adding fillet we have to make sure that we are selecting the right edges, and for that we'll turn off the body tool first, and then we'll select these two small edges. As you can see, if I will zoom in, you can see I had selected this edge, and here I had selected this edge. And here also under the pop-up box you can see it says two edges, where I will apply some fillets of 10. Here you can see the preview. Now I will just click on this plus icon to add few more edges, and before we'll do that I will turn off this body one, and now we'll turn on the body two, and then under on the body two I will select these two edges again. So now these two edges that we had selected is for body 2, and now again I will input these values as 10 also. And now if I'll press OK and if I'll turn on both the bodies, you can see fillet just got applied onto the top body and to the bottom body also.